Okay, the Chef Preserve comes in 3 different sizes, the glass containers, and I was able to save half my package of donuts. I usually eat them all because I don't want them to get worse, but I'll be able to eat these things tomorrow or so, next day or whenever, because they'll be just as fresh as they are today with this awesome thing. So you simply take this thing, you push it on, make sure it's all the way on. And this has got a little release here. I'll show you that in a minute. But when you take this thing, you just put it in. You just set it on there and hit the button, and it works all automatically. Okay, and as soon as it's done working, it'll turn off by itself, and then it'll be sealed. Okay, the top comes off real easy when there's no seal, but when there's a seal, it's just impossible to get off. Okay, and so it's all set up real nice, and it goes from big, medium to small, and all kinds of cool room in there. But anyway, once it's sealed, you just take it off, and of course this thing sets up nicely, sets up perfectly like that. But anyway, so then of course it literally you can't come off. Okay, it's sealed, and so as easy as they come off when they're not sealed, when it is sealed, it's really hard until you do this. This right here is the release. Listen, so it just releases it all. Okay. Anyway, so then it comes off real easy. When you like this, just pulls right off. Okay, so then when you go to seal it again, you just push that on there and make sure it's sealed, and you're off and running again. All right, if you guys have any questions, put them down below. Pick these up, they're awesome.